What if one morning you woke up and the sun was rising from the west, oceans flowing the other way, winds changing direction, and the world feeling completely unfamiliar? Earth spins from west to east, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. But if it started spinning in reverse, everything would change. At first, it would be catastrophic. The atmosphere would crash against the surface, creating winds over 1,000 miles per hour, destroying cities and flooding coastlines. But if the reversal happened slowly, the world would transform in strange ways. The sun would rise in the west and set in the east, confusing our biological clocks and nature's rhythm. Ocean currents and winds would reverse, deserts could turn green while rainforests might dry up. The Sahara could bloom like a tropical paradise, while South America might become arid and dusty. Hurricanes would spin in the opposite direction, and global climates would completely shift. Europe freezing while Asia warms. Humanity would face mass migrations, food shortages, and new coastlines. Airplanes, satellites, and GPS systems would need to be redesigned, and even our sense of time would feel different. Yet, life might adapt again, just as it always has. If Earth's rotation truly reversed, the world we know would vanish, reminding us how fragile and perfectly balanced our planet's spin really is. But wait, what would happen deep inside our planet? Beneath Earth's surface, rivers of molten iron swirl, generating the invisible magnetic field that shields us from deadly solar radiation. If our world started spinning backward, that molten movement could be thrown into chaos. The magnetic field might weaken, or even vanish. Imagine a world with no protection from the sun. Solar winds would hammer our atmosphere. Satellites would burn out. Communication systems would fail. And our skies could glow with strange, deadly auroras. Without that shield, ultraviolet rays would pour through the atmosphere, raising cancer rates, damaging crops, and frying electronics. The ozone layer could erode, and Earth would be exposed like never before. Civilization would be forced to adapt underground or build massive shields to survive solar storms. And as the planet keeps adjusting, the balance of power on Earth would flip, just like its spin. North Africa and the Middle East could become green, fertile, and full of life. New superpowers born from the ashes of change. Meanwhile, Europe might freeze. America's West could become an endless desert, and Asia could face famine from dying monsoons. Humanity would migrate, rebuild, and learn to live on a planet that feels familiar yet utterly strange. Here's the most mind-blowing part. Earth's rotation is slowing down, even right now. Every century, our day becomes a tiny bit longer, just 1.7 milliseconds. It's a whisper from the universe reminding us that nothing here stays the same. Even the direction of our planet's spin could one day change, and with it, everything we know about life itself.